Well, when I look back over this, some of the things that I thought might work 40 plus years ago, we see have worked. Some of the things that we did in treatment that we, to some extent, were flying by the seat of our pants, so to speak, because they were new concepts to me back then. When I started in dentistry, crowns were very rarely, when I first started, the original crowns were not made out of porcelain. They were plastic crowns. Now we have, and gold has been used for 100 years, but the original tooth-colored crowns were made out of plastic. And when I first did some of the porcelain type crowns, I didn't know if they would last, and I would tell a few patients I didn't know if that would last 5 years. And I remember one patient recently told me that you said that this might last that's what I want done, it might last 5 years. 45 years later, we're looking at those crowns that were changed because the color changed. So one of the wonderful things that I've seen is how if we do these things carefully and we do this the right way or the best way we possibly can, that we can get years of service. That is a reminder that it's not just technology, but it's technique. It's how it's done. And that's so critical. All the details that go into the caring of each little phase of the treatment that we do.
I gotta tell you that I'm real excited about dentistry today. And one of the main reasons is that I have seen how well dentistry can look by seeing Dr. Albert's work. And it's very true that when you come in and you see a patient for the first time and you see their x-rays and you see the work, and as a dentist looking at the finite details of what we would look at, the patient may not know those details to that level, but when I see how well and the dentistry is and how it looks like it was put in yesterday and it's 30 years old, I was floored. And every day I see that when we check a patient that comes in for a hygiene check, and I knew that there's a level you can excel to that very few reach. And that's what I strive for every day.
That's why he's in the practice.